Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make 냉라면, cold ramen. It seems many of you guys love Korean cold noodle, 냉면. But making 냉면 is quite complicated. So I'm gonna show you kind of substitute stuff. It's called 냉라면, cold ramen. You can get this ramen from everywhere and it's very easy to make. And it tastes like very spicy cold noodle. So it can be a very good substitute stuff. For your information, this 냉라면 is way much spicier than normal hot ramen. I don't know why, but it is. Alright, let's get started. When you make this 냉라면, of course you need this ramen and some vegetables from your fridge. If you don't have, don't worry about it.
Inside, say hello!
Okay, let's prep some vegetables. Cucumber, okay, slice it. And cabbage. Some green onion. And green chili. I'm gonna use half because I don't like too spicy. Onion. I'm gonna use a quarter. The bean sprout. This is it. Okay, let's make broth. We're gonna use the powder from this ramen. Yummy. Put this powder into the bowl. 1.5 tablespoon of sugar. 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. Same amount of soy sauce. And mix it up. I can feel spiciness from this sauce. Because of the spiciness from this, I feel like sneeze. Put a cup of water. And whisk it again. This is 냉라면, so you need to put some ice in it. If it's too spicy for you, then put some more water. Let's boil the water. Okay, let's put the flakes and the ramen. Now you need to put the onions and the bean sprouts and boil 4 more minutes. This bean sprouts gives very good texture, but if you don't have it, don't worry about it. It's alright. Okay, let's rinse it. This is cold noodle. So you need to rinse with cold water. Drain the water. Put the noodles into a bowl. And the vegetables we prepared before. Lastly, the broth. Almost done. This boiled egg is an optional, but it makes prettier and give it more protein. Lastly, some sesame seeds. This is so beautiful, so I don't want to touch it. But I have to, right? Wow. The noodle, ramen noodle is very chewy, and the texture from the bean sprouts, cucumber, the cabbage is really amazing. It bursts. It's quite spicy and sour. I think everybody likes it. Alright guys, today I showed you how to make cold ramen. How was it? If you want to try something new ramen, then this 냉라면 can be a good option. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you next time. Bye!